I've already attached one leg to this little Pikachu body, and now we're going to do the second one. I like to pin the leg in place just so that I'm happy with where it sits, and this is just using your regular sewing pin. And then I've threaded the tail onto a yarn needle, and then I'm going to find where that tail starts on the leg and just insert that underneath the stitch that's nearest it on the body, and then pull that thread through. Now you can pull the leg a little bit away from the body and then go underneath that stitch from the inside out. Pull that tight, and then we'll go in through a stitch and then out through the next one. Pull the leg back, go underneath the stitch and out, and pull it tight. And you can just keep doing this all the way around the leg until you've gone through every stitch on the leg. And there you have it.